Changing your payout method on eBay is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your payment preferences easily. Step 1. Log into your eBay account. Access the eBay website and enter your login credentials to sign into your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Access payment options. In the account settings menu, look for the payments section. Click on it to view your current payout methods and options for changing them. Step 4. Edit payout method. Under the payout method section, you will see your current payment method. Click on the edit button next to it to start the process of changing your payout method. Step 5. Follow the prompts. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter your new payout information. Make sure to review all details before confirming the changes to ensure accuracy. After completing these steps, your payout method will be updated. Check back to confirm that the changes have been applied successfully.